Hi everyone, this is Madhavi. Welcome to Bits Connect. Okay. Lewis theory of acids and bases. Okay, theories is three: Arrhenius theory, Bronister theory, and Lewis theory. Okay, this Lewis theory is a Arrhenius acid base definition different, and also Bronister acid and base different. Okay, this is also different definitions is the Lewis theory of acids and bases. First of all, Lewis acid. When Lewis acid is a chemical species of that can accept a pair of electron. Okay, accept a pair of electron. Okay, the pair of electron is accepted into form a coordinate covalent bond. It is a this Lewis theory is a similar to the coordinate covalent bond. Okay, and this to form a coordinate covalent bond is called Lewis acid. Okay, accept a pair of electron is called acid, Lewis acid. Accept a pair of electron is a Lewis acid is a very important. And the next one is a base. Okay, the chemical space that can donate a pair of electron. A chemical species that can donate a pair of electron and forms in the coordinate covalent bond and forms the coordinate covalent bond. A chemical species that can donate it. Okay, acid is the accept a electron pair, base is the donate a pair of electron. Okay, is called base. Okay, and the next one is the Lewis salt. This Lewis salt is the addition of product formed by the reaction of acids and bases. Okay, the reaction of the acid and base to form a addition product, that is called the salt. Okay, and the next one is the neutralization process. The neutralization process is the formation of coordinate covalent bond between acid and base. This is the formation of the coordinate covalent bond. This is the accept of electron. This is the donate of electron. These two dots is the donating. Okay, this is the accept. This is the vacant orbital. This is the empty orbital. Okay, this is the empty orbital. This formation of the coordinate covalent bond is called between acid and base is called neutralization. Okay, this is the Lewis acid base is the examples. This is the first of all Lewis acid is what is Lewis acid? Accept a pair of electron is called Lewis acid, and Lewis base is the donate a pair of electron is called Lewis base. Okay, this is for example formation of ammonium boron trifluoride. Ammonium boron trifluoride. Formation of the ammonium boron trifluoride. This is the this is ammonia, NHHH, and this is the pair of electron. Okay, this pair of electron, and the next one react with boron trifluoride. Boron 1, 2, 3. 3 fluorines. Okay, fluorines, trifluoride, boron trifluoride. Okay, this is the vacant orbital. Okay, empty orbital. Okay, this is the donating to. These electron pair is donated to other substance is called Lewis base. Donating. Okay, accept a electron pair is called acid. Okay, BF3 is the acid, NH3 is the base. To form a ammonium boron trifluoride. Okay, all of you understand coordinate covalent bond is indicated in arrow mark. Okay, NH3 is indicated in ammonium boron trifluoride. Okay, or NH3 dot BF3. Okay, this is the Lewis acid base example, formation of the ammonium boron trifluoride. Okay, and the next one example is the formation of ammonium. Formation of ammonium. Ammonia is the NH3. Ammonium is the NH4. Okay, this is the formation of ammonium. Okay, ammonium is the NH4. Ammonia is NH3. Okay, this is the formation of ammonium is, first of all, these NH3 is a pair of electron. Okay, this the hydrogen is the vacant orbital. Okay, this hydrogen act as acid, ammonia act as base. Okay, this is the donating. Donating is the base, accepting is the acid to form a NH4. Okay, NH4. This is the very important. Okay, this is the Lewis theory of acids and bases examples. Okay, and next one is the limitations of Lewis acids and bases. Okay, first of all, Lewis acid, base, salt, neutralization, we know that, and examples. And last one is the limitations of the Lewis theory. Okay, this Lewis theory is he is failed to explain that strength of acids and bases. Okay, this theory is failed to explain this strength of acid and base, strength of acid, strong base, weak acid, weak base. We could not explain. He failed to explain that strength of acids and bases in Lewis theory. Okay, and the next one is generally acid-base reactions are fast. Okay, generally acid-base reactions are fast, but Lewis theory acids and bases reactions are slow. Okay, this is the slow reactions, Lewis acids and bases reactions. Okay, Arrhenius acids and Bronsted-Lowry acids is the fast reactions, but this Lewis theory's reactions are slow. Okay, and the next one, he could not explain the neutralization of simple acids and bases. He could not explain that neutralization. Neutralization is the acid reacts with the base to form a formation of product is called the neutralization process. These are simple acids and simple bases we could not explain. Okay, this is the way you can explain the coordinate, covalent bond acids and bases. Okay, this is the third one. Neutralization is the limitations. Okay, and the next one, the last one is the acids such as the HCl, H2SO4 cannot form coordinate covalent bond with bases, which is essential for this theory. Okay, these are Lewis acids and bases. Classify the Lewis acids and bases. First of all, discuss about the types of Lewis acids. Okay, these types of Lewis acids is divided into 4 types. Okay, Lewis acid. First of all, definition is what is Lewis acid? The chemical species which can accept a pair of electron is called Lewis acid and formation of coordinate covalent bond. Okay, next, these Lewis acids and bases is the 4 types. First one is the simple cations. Okay, these simple cations is, for example, H plus, Na plus, Mg plus 2, Fe plus 2. Okay, this is the plus 1 plus 2 is the plus is the outermost orbital is 1 electron H plus. Na plus outermost orbital is a 1 electron Na plus, and magnesium Mg plus 2. Mg is the magnesium is a outermost orbital is a 2 electrons. Okay, and Fe plus 2 also. Okay, these plus is the simple cations. Okay, this is the simple cations. First one, Lewis acid. And next one, these molecules in which central atom has incomplete octet rule. Okay, this molecule atom, the central atom. This is the central atom is incomplete the molecule atom. Okay, molecule incomplete the octet rule. Octet rule means what is mean by octet rule? This octet rule is the outermost orbital is the 8 electrons. It is a nearest to noble gas configuration. Okay, this is the stable configuration. This is examples BF3, BeCl3, AlCl3, boron trifluoride, boron trichloride, and aluminum trichloride. This is the second type. And the next one is the third one is molecules in which central atoms can extended. Okay, molecules in which central atoms can be extended. Example is silicon tetrafluoride, silicon tetrachloride, and tin tetrachloride. Okay, this is the molecules in which central atom can be extended. And the next one, last one is the molecules contain double bonds between heteroatoms. The molecules containing in the double bond is the heteroatoms. For example, heteroatoms is the carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and nitrous oxide. Okay, this is the types of Lewis acid. Okay, and next one is the types of Lewis bases. Okay, this is the types of Lewis bases is, first one is the all negative ions, and it is anions. Okay, all negative anions. Negative anions is examples is chlorine minus, OH minus, cyanide minus, O minus 2. Okay, this is the all negative anions. Okay, and second one is molecules containing one or more lone pair of electrons. Okay, the second type of is a molecules containing is one or more lone pair of electrons. So examples is H2O, NH3, ROH, and amines also. RNH2. This is the alcohols. This is amines. Okay, and next last one is if the molecule having its multiple bonds between carbon atoms and it is alkenes and alkynes. Okay, this is the alkenes. Alkenes is the double bond. Alkynes is the triple bonds. Examples is C2H4, C2H2 and C3H6. This is the Lewis bases, 3 types.